Welcome back to my channel. I'd like to show you a project I'm working on and these clamps that I'm using. So I'm making these signs for a church, and they're basically wood that I planed down to a 1/4 inch thick. I added epoxy and I sent these through my drum sander. But I'm worried that being these are so thin that they're going to warp. I have 10 of these signs for a church, and they all have different sayings. So I'm putting this frame on the back side to be like a stiffener on it. The letters are transparent. They're gonna hang above the doors for the classrooms. So I've been using these DeWalt clamps that I buy at one of the big boxes, and these are like $11, $12 a piece. So I found that I was using 10, 12 on each one, but I gotta do 10 signs. I have bigger clamps, but they're just cumbersome and bulky, and I like these lightweight clamps. I don't wanna sit and wait for these to dry and just use the clamps that I have. So I remember seeing these at Harbor Freight. Very similar to the DeWalt ones. Other companies are making them now. When I first saw these at a woodworking show years ago, I thought it was kind of a gimmick. They were kind of expensive. But like I said, I think they're like $11, $12 right now. When I bought them, they were a little bit less. I think I paid $7, $8 for them a couple years ago. But then I remember seeing some at Harbor Freight that are very similar. The bar is actually a little bit thicker, and this piece is reversible, so you can put this on the other side for a spreader. So I remember seeing them at Harbor Freight. I went online trying to find them, and I couldn't really tell which size they were. I think this is like 6 inches. I might be wrong there. So I went by there just now, and they had them on sale. I think they were $1.43 each. So I bought everything they had on the rack. They had 24 of them on the rack. And then when I got to the cashier, she says, "Do you need more of those? We just put some away because we filled the rack up." So they brought out another box of 24. So I bought 48 of these clamps for under $76 today. So that's gonna help with these signs. And I find these so helpful and useful, handy to have just in all around shop use for lighter weight stuff. So I'm excited to use these. I'll be able to glue all these up today, get all the trim on all of them, and then I can sand the back side, then I'll put the finish on. Save a lot of money. Don't buy the name brand. Thanks for watching. If you like this type of video, please like, subscribe, get the notifications when I put new videos. Thank you for watching.